Morning everyone, today is November the 15th, 2018. It is Thursday. It's around, I think it's around 11 or 10 or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, Zoe and Jane here. Here's Zoe in her little outfit. Yeah, she's all cozy and warm, but she needs dog booties for the really cold days. I don't think, now that she's getting into her aging, senior years, she needs to be, I guess, mollycoddled a little bit. She needs to have more care, I think, with that. So we're going to get her really bundled up more in cozy pants or booties, I think so. Anyway, what were we talking about? Oh yeah, quantum is not the same as singularity. That's right. Quantum waves, D waves, all this kind of waves. And then we're discussing waves and versus particles. And are the waves part of particles? Are the waves unto themselves? What kind of thing is it? Is there a singularity wave? Would a quantum wave be the same as a singularity? I don't think so. I think it's a shell. It's probably very similar to a singularity, but the quantum is probably also defined by duality. As soon as you have a neutron, proton, electron, you have a split. And then go look at the interesting Alpha Centauri solar system with 3 suns. It's a red giant, or I'm sorry, a red dwarf. I've never heard of it. Oh yeah, red. Usually they're red giants. And then there's 2 blue suns that look beautiful. They look like something you'd see out of the Pleiades, with mystical blue light. The beautiful turquoise coronal ring, the beautiful energies that are beyond description and understanding, and the mystical light, it could be purple light, could be blue light. I think the hotter lights, like the yellow, the reds, are more like the duality lights. When you get into the other spectral qualities, I'm not too sure. But anyway, we're working on trying to understand quantum, singularity. We're trying to understand, well, I know I'm probably binary, but I mean, I don't know. We're trying to figure out as much as we can about how it all works and how it works in us as well as in the solar system. So we're probably like a model of the solar system. Our bodies probably, as above, so below, reflect that. Where our organs are placed in our body. Don't get me wrong, I don't think it's all about exactly observable types of reality. I think you can't observe some realities because they are inorganic. And we are binary, inorganic, organic. We are energy and non-energy. That's what happens when we try to understand. We just, in a binary sense, which is really the way we've been taught and segregated into a lot of segmented duality ad infinitum. So if we go quantum learning, universal learning, quantum learning, singularity learning, universal, the way it was supposed to be. You're going to learn about everything, not just parts, even though materialistically you'll probably do well if you just stick to one thing. But not as far as you need to quantumize, singularize, and spheric. Return to the sphere of the singularity. That would necessitate you to know everything. And I think that's why we have computer singularity to do that. But are we going to be able to experientially understand it in the physical? That's the question. And that's what I'm working on today. So I'm kind of looking into D waves and again into the string theory, which I call wormholes, but basically every sun is a black hole and is the singularity, and the actions that happen by making it into this or that, type of arrangement of